Welcome to the 3-Minute Leadership and Management Series, where you will be introduced to a breadth of effective leadership and people management skills that have worked well for me and others I have taught over the years. This series will cover ways to address various scenarios as a leader and manager. It will enhance your skill set, and I'll introduce tricks of the trade, but I can assure you there will be no Jedi mind tricks.
The Force is with you.
Today we'll talk about building teams through humility.
But you are not a Jedi yet.
If your team understands the bigger picture of why they are doing what they do, and believe that good will come out of it, they will feel less frustration when asked to do tasks that may be boring or seemingly unnecessary to them. We were passionate about developing solutions to make others' lives easier. Our team saw a need to make work items more efficient for a lot of people. We didn't focus on the work we had to do, but the end goal. We developed processes and tools that gave others more time to do exciting things at work and spend more enjoyable time outside of work. Others will see you as a genius, but having the right set of players on your team with the mindset of helping others builds strong bonds throughout the company. Being a strong manager doesn't mean you have to give up being humble. It just means you inspire people to work towards a shared mission instead of your personal success. I've seen managers publicly punish employees for being 5 minutes late to a meeting. And then they take excessively long lunch breaks, or even some skip out and play golf. The result is often indifference or even resentment among their team, which leads to high turnover and lost productivity. A manager needs to be reliable, on time, and hardworking in order to ask for those qualities from their teammates. Humility is not a weakness, it's a superpower. Today we learn the importance of knowing why you do what you do. Everyone works hard, and making that work enjoyable falls on you as a manager. You can start making it enjoyable by communicating why they are doing what they do. Take your eyes off of you. Success of the team is not about you and your personal goals. It's about bringing everyone together for the same goal. You get what you give. If you expect 100% effort, respecting of time, and people being trustworthy, well, the key to this starts with you. It is my sincere hope that you enjoyed this video. We have many more fun topics to cover in both leadership and management. We will cover skills that you can learn and go over real-life scenarios I encountered over the years in hopes that you can use these stories to overcome similar challenges. If you enjoyed this video, please like and click the subscribe button below so you can be informed when new videos are released. And feel free to leave comments on subjects you would like to hear more about in the future. Take care, and may the Course be with you.
Don't underestimate the Force.